Oh my God, 2000 and fuck is this, a 3, a 4, even a 5? I'm probably pretty sure. Nissan Altima. Grandma over there. But yeah, I got to do a throttle body replacement.
Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
She got the check engine light code, and this piece right there. So, it should be 4 13mm, 12mm bolts, and then comes right out. Unless Nissan wants to be smart and they did a little hex screw, which is exactly what it is. A little Allen key one. All right, whatever.
All right.
Do this in a second. 03, there you go, boom. So I have to go old fashioned. I can't seem to find the right size. So, you know, just check if it fit. Is it too big? That one's a little bit smaller. That's it. And one size smaller than this. Alright. I'm gonna figure out this in a second, guys. Okay, so it looks like I found it. It's a hex screw, I believe. T30. Yeah, let's see if it works. I get the adapters for it.
Take it.
Okay, you know, I'm going through this pretty quick, that's the thing. Once you unscrew this, you just pop it to the side. There's 4 screws, 2 on the bottom, and then 2 on the top. You unplug this, right? Connector, push it in. Pretty simple, right? Oh, and I'm gonna disconnect the battery so there's no check engine light. Real quick, I forgot about that. Sorry, not a big deal though at this point. But unscrew all 3. The screw's gonna pop out. You put the new one in, and also, throttle body replaced. So it's pretty simple for this car. Definitely a do-it-yourself type of job. To show the first screw, pretty much as you screw it out, it pulls right out, just like this, and it's 4 of them. So 13mm, just to take off the battery terminal. That's how I want the computer to reset. So. Took that off. You see it, right? You see it. Perfect. I told you this is the big T30 for the Allen key sockets. Anyway, I took it out. This is it. It's actually still hot. Fuck. Napkin. My gloves. Yeah, this is the old one, right? And let's get the new one out the box. Ooh. Gotta love new parts. Gotta love it. Alright, so see the difference? Old to new, obviously. Right. Whatever. Let's get this in quick. So it was face down. Alright. The 4 screws, just slide them in. It's gonna be pretty simple, y'all. Self-explanatory. And then I'm gonna screw them in real quick. And then I'm gonna tighten them with the ratchet. Three, 4, yeah, that's still in. We're good. Don't worry about it. just want to see it. I can't even leave it on my arm. That's the problem too. So pretty much this is it. I'm just putting these screws in one by one. I gotta get off the camera. Beyond throttle's in. Check it out. Ooh, clean. Better than the first time. So obviously brand new throttle. You're not gonna see I didn't check engine lights because I took out the battery. But as she drives, the only check engine light she had was the throttle, so it should be all good from here. And job done.
Move it up.
Don't tell me what. Don't tell me what to do. It's not gonna matter. It's good. Move it back.
Nah, move it up.
For what?
So I can park.
You can park right here.
Why do you want me to double? Put my light in
I want to see how if you know how to double park. I mean, parallel park. Let's go. Let me see it. Let me see it on camera. She got no. Oh, let me see some washer fluid. She got no washer fluid. All right. I can't help her with that. Let's see. You know he's not good. Look, he's crazy. He's gonna hit it on purpose, probably. Yo, you see? Oh man, you gotta fix your shock too. I hit it again. Yo, he's an asshole. All right, well, job done, y'all. See you later, YouTube.